Hello students, today we are going to discuss that another chapter, that cell, the unit of life. We studied cell from class 3rd, 4th at different level. We all know cell discovered first time by the Robert Hooke through the pot. He observed that dead cells, and that looks like this type of structure. This was a small compartment, and Robert Hooke given the name for this method of cellula. The meaning of this word cellula means a small compartment. A small compartment means the cellula. And he used first time this word cellula in his book, that is of Micrographia. He used cellular word first time in his book, that is of Micrographia. After that, Emil Leeuwenhoek observed the living cells. From sewage water, from teeth filled of sewage water, that was bacteria. So Antony von Leeuwenhoek observed first time the living cells from sewage water and teeth filled off, and Robert Brown observed dead cells from the cork of the plants, that was dead cells. After that, Robert Brown observed nucleus in the root of orchid plants. Protoplasm term given by the J. Purkinje, and then after different scientists find out the different cell organelles one by one from the cells. What is the cell? What is cell? Cell, we can say that is the unit of life. It is the unit of life, or we can say unit of organism. That is the cell. All the organism is made from the cells. Sometimes that unicellular cells, they formed from single cells, just like amoeba, paramecium, urina. They perform all the function from the cells. And some organism that is of multicellular, they having more than one cells. So cell, that is the basic unit of life. Or we can say fundamental unit of life. That is the cell, and all the functions of their particular organism performed at smallest level by the cell. Now we discuss about the cell theory. What is cell theory? Who gives cell theory? Cell theory gives by the two scientists, Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden was botanist and Schwann was zoologist. Schleiden see the different types of plant cells and observe, and zoologist, that was it was German botanist and Swan was British zoologist who observed that different animal cells and give their cell theory. What are the point of cell theory? Cell theory having different points, that all living organism made up from cells. All the organism, that living organism made up from the cells. Then second is of cell is structural unit of organism. Structural unit of organism. Then cell is functional unit of an organism. Functional unit means the different function which performed by the organism that is performed by the cell at smallest level. That is functional unit, just like respiration, photosynthesis. So cell functional unit means it performs all the function at smallest level. Then omnis cellula, e cellula. This word derived by the Robert Virchow. Omnicellular means, E-cellular means all cells are arising from the pre-existing ones. Not spontaneous origin is there. स्वतः उद्भव या अचानक से कोई भी चीज नहीं बनती है. All cells are arise from pre-existing ones, that is of omnis cellula, E-cellula. This is the cell theory. All cells, all living organisms made up from the cells. Cell is the structural unit of the body, cell is functional unit of the body, and omnis cellula, E-cellula means all cells arising from pre-existing ones. That is the cell theory. Virus is the exception of cell theory. Virus is exception of cell theory. Now, size of the cell. Cell size, normally the cell cannot see without microscope, or we cannot see naked eyes. But the size of the cell is greatly varied. It is depend upon organism to organism. Just like the smallest cell that is of PPLO, pure pneumonia-like organism, that is of mycoplasma. It is smallest cells, it is a size of 0.3 μm. 0.3 μm, that is smallest cell of the nature, smallest organism or smallest cells. Pleural pneumonia-like organism. And the bacterial cell, that size is 3 to 5 μm. Bacterial cell size is 3 to 5 μm. Like that, RBC cell or RBC is the size of 7 μm. So it is varied organism to organism. and organ to organ also. But the smallest cell is of 0.3 μm, bacterial cell that is 3 to 5, RBC is of 7 μm. If we see the largest cell, that is of ostrich egg, which is about 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter in size, that is in diameter, diameter, or we can say 15 centimeter in length, that is of ostrich egg. It is of largest cell. If we see that longest cell, that is of nerve cell in human being, which is about 90 to 100 centimeter in length. 90 to 100 centimeter in length. So the size of the cell is greatly varied. Now, shape of the cell. Shape of the cell. Shape, again, different types of shape is there. The cell shape may be circular, polygonal, disc shape, rectangle, circular, just like RBC is of circular, polygonal in plant cell, that is a polygonal cell is there, disc shaped in diatoms, disc shaped is there, again rectangle present in the plant cell, or irregular, if we see in amoeba, the cells is of irregular. So, the shape of the cell elongated, just like in nerve cells, that is of elongated cells. Elongated cells. So, cell shape is again depend upon organism to organism and organ to organs. In different body parts, the different types of cell shape is there. Then some organisms are of unicellular and some organisms are of multicellular. Unicellular and unicellular or single cell organism, the organism which perform their whole function with the help of single cell, that is of unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena, Chlamydomonas. These are the single celled organisms and they perform all the function from the single cell. All the function from the single cells. Some organisms are made up from more than one cells, and in these organisms the labor of division is there. Just like human beings, plants, animals, all these are the multicellular organisms. And in these organisms, labor of division is there, means the different function performed by the different cells, not all the function performed by the single cells. Just like in digestive system they perform and they help in the digestion, in reproductive system they help in the reproduction, and in respiratory system they help in the respiration and other things. So labor of division is there in the multicellular organism. Inside the cell, the prominent cell organelles, that is of nucleus. Prominent cell organelles, that is of nucleus. On the basis of nucleus, the cells is of two types. One is of prokaryotic and another is of eukaryotic. Prokaryotics, what derived from two words. Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. The primitive nucleus is not well defined. Nucleus is not bounded by the nuclear membrane. That is of prokaryotes. And its example is of mycoplasma, bacteria and blue-green algae. Mycoplasma, bacteria and blue-green algae, all these are included in prokaryotes. Their nucleus is not well defined. Nucleus is not bounded by the nuclear membrane. Another is of eukaryotes. Eu means well and karyon means nucleus. Well defined nucleus. Their nucleus is bounded with the nuclear membrane and their nucleus is called nucleus, but in prokaryotes their nucleus is called nucleoid. So today we discuss the mainly two topics. One is of cell structure and investigation of the cell, that cell theory and shape, size of the cells. Tomorrow we will discuss about prokaryotic cells and what is the structure of prokaryotic cells.